Sophie, quick question. What are you doing right now, this exact second?
Talking to you, Liam?
Wrong. You're building your future. Every word you speak, every choice you make, boom, future in the making.
Whoa, that got deep real fast. But you're absolutely right. And speaking of the future, hey everyone, welcome to the HC English Pod. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Today, we're cracking the code on talking about your future in English. And trust me, by the end of this episode, you'll sound like a native speaker planning their life.
No boring grammar lectures, I promise. Just real, practical English you can use today.
All right, Sophie, imagine this. You're starving right now, and I ask you, what do you want for dinner?
I think I'll order pizza.
Stop. Did everyone catch that? I'll order pizza. That's will in action. Sophie didn't plan this yesterday. She didn't write it in her calendar. She decided right now.
Exactly. Will is your go-to word when you make instant decisions. Like, oh, the phone's ringing. I'll get it. Or, it's hot in here. I'll open the window.
It's spontaneous. It's in the moment. It's like your brain just decided something and boom, out it comes.
And here's the beautiful part, Liam. It's the same for everyone. I will, you will, he will, she will, we will, they will. No changes, no headaches.
Let me give you a real-life example. Yesterday, I was at a cafe, and the waiter asked if I wanted dessert. I wasn't planning on it, but then I thought, you know what? I'll have the chocolate cake.
Perfect. That's will. Now, quick practice for everyone listening. Imagine your friend looks sad. What would you say?
Don't worry, I'll help you. Instant decision, instant support.
Love that. One more. It's raining and your friend has no umbrella.
I'll share mine with you. See, will is all about being spontaneous and helpful.
Okay, Liam, now here's where it gets interesting. What are you doing this Saturday?
Oh, this Saturday I'm going to the gym at 7 a.m., then I'm meeting my brother for breakfast.
Did you hear that switch, everyone? Liam didn't say, I will go to the gym. He said, I'm going to the gym. Why?
Because it's already planned. I set my alarm. I texted my brother yesterday. This isn't a quick decision. It's a real plan.
Exactly. Going to is for plans you already made, things you thought about before this conversation.
So if someone asks, hey, any plans for the weekend? You don't say, I will study English. That sounds like you just decided right now.
Right. You say, I'm going to study English on Sunday morning. It shows you've already committed.
Here's my trick to remember. Will is surprise, going to is prepared.
Ooh, I like that. Will equals surprise, going to equals prepared. Let me test you, Liam. Your friend invites you to a party tonight, but you already have dinner plans with your family. What do you say?
Sorry, I can't. I'm going to have dinner with my family tonight.
Perfect, because that plan already exists. Now imagine they ask, what about next week? And you have no plans yet.
Sure. I'll come to your party next week because I'm deciding right now in this moment.
You're getting this. Now, everyone listening, here's your challenge. Think about tomorrow. Do you have any plans? Anything you already decided? That's your going to moment.
Liam, look outside. Those clouds look crazy dark.
Oh no, I think it's gonna rain. Wait, hold on. You could also say it will rain. So which one's correct?
Both. But here's the difference. When you say it's going to rain, you have evidence. You see dark clouds, you feel the wind, there are signs.
But if you just think, maybe tomorrow will be rainy, with no real evidence, you'd use will.
Exactly. Going to for predictions with proof, will for predictions that are just guesses.
Here's another one. You see your friend running toward the bus, but they're too slow. The bus is pulling away.
Oh no, you're going to miss the bus. I can see it happening.
But if you're just talking about the future in general, like, I think technology will change everything in 20 years, that's will, because you're making a general prediction.
Right. No evidence right now, just your opinion about the future.
Okay, everyone, imagine this. Your friend is carrying a huge stack of books and they're wobbling.
Watch out, you're going to drop those books. Evidence right in front of you. Sophie, real talk. What's one big dream you have? Something huge.
Honestly, one day I'm going to open my own English school, a place where learning feels fun, not stressful.
I love that. And notice what you said. I'm going to open, not I will open. Why?
Because it's not just a dream floating in my head. I'm actively working toward it. I'm saving money, I'm taking teaching courses, I'm making a plan.
That's the difference. Will can be for far-off dreams, like one day I'll be famous. But going to means you're actually taking steps.
What about you, Liam? Big dream?
I'm going to run a marathon next year. I've never done it before, but I started training last month.
See, everyone? That's a goal with action behind it. And here's something powerful. When you say, I'm going to, out loud, it makes your dream feel more real.
It's like a promise to yourself, not maybe one day. It's I'm doing this.
So here's my challenge to everyone listening right now. Think of one goal you have, big or small. Say it out loud using going to. For example, I'm going to practice English for 10 minutes every day.
Or I'm going to call my parents this weekend.
Even, I'm going to drink more water tomorrow. Small goals count.
All right, Sophie, let's bring this home. Quick recap for everyone.
Will, instant decisions, spontaneous moments. I'll help you. I'll call you later.
Going to, real plans you already made. I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow. We're going to watch a movie tonight.
And both work for predictions. Going to when you have evidence, will when you're just guessing.
The future is yours to create, everyone. Start talking about it in English and watch how your confidence grows.
Before we go, drop a comment below. Tell us one thing you're going to do tomorrow. Use going to and let's practice together.
And if this episode helped you, smash that subscribe button. We're dropping new episodes every week.
Thanks for hanging with us at the HZ English Pod. I'm Sophie.
I'm Liam. Now go out there and build your future in English.
See you next time.